So the Frederick Food Security Network is an initiative out of the Center for Coastal and Watershed Studies at Hood College, and it's a program that aims to address multiple areas of concern in Frederick. One of those major areas is that of food insecurity. Frederick, like most other cities and towns in the United States, suffers from the issue of food deserts. Food deserts are areas with a high percentage of people who fall below the federal poverty line and where there isn't an easily accessible grocery store. We partner with other organizations within Frederick who are already located in and working in these food desert areas. So they're very knowledgeable about and they have established relationships with people who are located in those food deserts. And we work with them to create or continue community gardens. So these community gardens are run by people living in the food deserts and then they are able to take home the produce, and excess produce is distributed through other organizations located within those food deserts.
We have this large vacant plot of grass that we were doing absolutely nothing with, and for a while we were trying to figure out how can we best utilize it for our clients when Hood College approached us and let us know that we're smack dab in the middle of a food desert. We have some clients that live in our Island P. Linton emergency shelter, which is for adults, that come out and they water it every single day. They've helped us to build the beds, they've helped us to plant and harvest it. We've even had the clients from the family shelter bring their children out to help participate in the garden. And we've had over 600 volunteer hours come through the garden, and we've been able to give produce out to about over 100 families. And so I think that we really are making an impact on the clients that we serve.
The idea was conceived by a group of parents a couple of years ago that were interested in gardening and wanted to bring their children and make them learn and see and witness how plants are grown. Fast forward to 2017 when Reverend Beth Fameli offered to bring students from Hood College during the spring break and asked us to put them through the project. So we thought that it would be a good idea to redo the beds, joined with Frederick Food Security Network coordinators, and then they offered to build the beds, and the United Way volunteers came and they helped us build these 8 beautiful beds. In 2019, early spring, we are also planning on building self-watering beds.
The idea behind these gardens, and they were originally developed in Australia, is that they catch rooftop rainwater and direct it into garden beds. The water coming from the rooftop comes into the bed and comes in underneath all of the soil layers. There are wicks in there then that draw that water up into the soil and keep the plants moist between rainstorms.